Hi friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel! Ready na ba kayo sa arts class natin? Get ready with your sketchbooks and art materials cause we'll be tackling a new topic. Sketchbook talaga? Hindi naman ako magaling sa traditional arts but more on the digital arts. But enough with that. Today, I'll be sharing to you tips on how to effectively design a flyer. Flyers is effective when you want to introduce your product or services to the market. In short, para kang nag-a-advertising. Flyers kasi can attract customers lalo na kapag maganda ang pagka-design. So, without further ado, let's get started on these tips for your audience. First and foremost, ito ang pinaka-important. First and foremost na nga, pinaka-important pa. Anyway, the first thing that you have to do is to know your audience. Who are you trying to sell your product to? Para ba ito sa business owners or sa students, etc. Kasi your target market will help you determine how you're going to design your flyer. Catchy headlines. Once you know who your target audience is, it's time to create a headline and dapat related ito sa content mo. Let's say, nagpo-promote ka ng services about staying fit and pwede mong ilagay shape your body, shape your life as your headline. This will surely attract the audience's attention who are health buffs. Remember to keep your headline short and compelling kasi ito ang unang tinitingnan ng clients. Interesting content. This is the part where you support your headline. So, kunyari, yung content mo is about drum lessons, isusulat mo yung lahat ng benefits or details about the service you are offering. So, kapag madaming details or benefits ang iyong service, pwede mong gamitin ang bullet form so that it would be easier for clients to read your content. Desirable offers. Kapag you're introducing your product or promoting your service to the market, you could try some of these offers like buy one get one free, discount rates, limited offer for 100 customers to catch the client's attention. Kasi at first, they are still hesitant to try out your products or services, so these kind of offers would greatly help market your product. Call to action. Sa posters and flyers, hindi nawawala ang statement na ito. What is call to action? Call, which is nagtatawag, and action, which is to encourage your audience to try out the products or services that you are offering. Some of these examples are call us, order now, etc. Usually, nakikita ito sa ending part ng iyong marketing collaterals. Company details. Mawawala pa ba ito sa iyong marketing collaterals? Siyempre, that's a big no. Kaya ka nga nag-a-advertise ng iyong products or services para makilala ang iyong company. Sa posters and flyers, hindi mawawala ang email address, website, social media page, contact number, location ng iyong company so that people could get in touch with you easily. Graphics and images. Another aspect when designing a flyer is through the use of graphics and images. Kaya ka nga nagde-design ng flyers, di ba? To entice people to try out your products and services. Photo kasi is a great way of making a connection to the clients. Kunyari, you are asked to design a food poster. So, gagamitan mo ng elements ng foods and images related to it. And, syempre, tatanggalin mo yung mga elements ng music o kaya iba't ibang elements not related to food. Kasi, syempre, first and foremost, mako-confuse yung mga clients mo on what message are you trying to convey. And, second, ano ba yung relation ng food sa ganitong element, di ba? It depicts the purpose. And kapag nakulangan ka pa sa design mo, you can add texture related to the theme and that would totally add depth to your work. Color schemes. aside from graphics and images, always consider color schemes when designing a flyer. And ito ang ginagawa ko before I started out on a project. Nag-iisip muna ako ng color schemes on what is best to use on a certain project. Kunyari, you are asked to design a professional looking flyer. So, the colors should be white, black, or gray as your background. And always use the black or white text fonts depending on your background color. Or if you want a more creative, playful poster or flyer, you could add in blue, yellow, orange, depending on the theme ng flyer niyo. But always remember that light background attracts dark colors and vice versa. Kaya kapag you're designing a flyer and dark background na plus dark text colors, I'm sure i-reject yan ng company yung ginawa nyo kasi hindi mabasa yung text, fonts, and typography. Keep your fonts simple and readable to the client. You can use a mixture of serif fonts. Hindi ko lang alam kapag serif group yung tinatawag sa Times New Romans, Open Sans fonts, and italicized fonts to make your flyers look attractive but make sure na readable yung content mo to the clients. And take note that you have to use a maximum of 3 fonts to make your flyers look professional looking kasi kapag, let's say, 6 fonts yung ginamit mo, sobrang maguguluhan yung clients mo when reading your flyers. Short and concise. Lastly, you want your flyers to be direct to the point. Hindi yung text-heavy na para kang nagsusulat ng libro or newspapers kasi you want your clients to easily understand the products or services that you are offering. And there you have it. Sana may natutunan kayo sa mga tips na binigay ko, and just remember to always keep on exploring your hobbies, continue learning, and eventually you'll improve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog.